What is up, you guys? Good morning. Today we got the C63 AMG, and what we're going to be doing today in the morning is we're going to wash the car, and that's it. I'm just kidding, not that's it. So we are going to wash it properly, foam cannon this biatch. It's going to get 100% clean. Then once that's done, we are going to grind it down, make sure it's nice and smooth, Claybar it, then wash it again, then we're gonna buff it, and then we're gonna ceramic coat it, right? No. Then that's pretty much it. It's gonna look super nice. It's gonna repel everything. All right, guys, that's it. Let's begin. Let's blast this biatch. Gonna be nice and clean. So guys, you wanna know what the real badass engine is? That's the real engine. Honda GC9 190. Here we go. Fire in the hole. Oh, there it goes. Okay, guys, that's it. It's official. We've changed the color of the C63. It's now white. Okay, that's freaking loud. That Honda engine, Jesus, needs a muffler. That's funny. Okay, let's get this one cleaned up, and then I'll give you guys a quick little update once we're done washing it. This is gonna be super clean. Okay, now that this now it's all washed, more or less, yeah, pretty much clean. Yo, I just realized, okay, we're gonna hand wash it now and get all the dirt off. But I realized there's so much, there is a lot of stone chips everywhere, like right there, right there, right there, right there, everywhere there. Then there's like a whole bunch, I think, over there underneath the soap. So this is gonna be a lot of fun. Pray for us, pray for us, pray for us, yes. Pray for us, literally. But it's okay, we got the touch-up kit. We're gonna fix pretty much everything. Got a long scratch right there, and then what is that? Yep, another spot right there. Oh my, this is gonna be fun. Oh, then this is the worst one. That one you can really badly see. Then what else? This one is really bad, right over here. Then what else? Then the door right there. Then that's a bug. Was a bug. Then there was some scratches on the roof, but I think we'll be fine. Anyways, let's start manually cleaning this one. Here we go. Let's do this. Okay, guys, so what we're doing now is we're clay barring the car, the entire thing, so that we can get all the rust, not rust, but dirt and contaminants off the car. As soon as it feels nice and smooth, that's when we stop and go on to the next step. So we're just gonna do each panel one by one and get it nice and clean and smooth, and then see the results of the clear coat. Let's finish this up. Okay, so we just finished clay barring the car and washing it with soap and wiping it down, and it's pretty much nice and clean. Sorry for the wind, hopefully it's windy. But yeah, I can finally see myself in the car and all the scratches. Yes, the wheels are nice and clean. Yo, those look sick. That's a sick shot right there, guys. Take that in. That looks dope. That looks really cool. Yo, cool wheels. That's a nice photo right there. Right there, like that. Okay, next we're gonna dry it, roll it in, and begin the swirling of the of the paint. This is gonna be fun. All right, let's get going on this one. Okay, guys, I am currently stomping out the water from the pads that we just washed for the paint correction. And let's just quickly go over the car and look at it. Look at how beautiful that looks. You can pretty much see the whole world in this car. But in all seriousness, we got big scratches like that one. Wow, see, the camera can barely even focus because it's so good. I don't even need to like, huh?
Sand your headlights.
Sand my headlights, yes. So like the camera can barely even focus because the freaking paint is in such good condition after we clay barred it. But we're gonna do this scratch. I'm gonna do that little thing right there. We're gonna fix this one right here. You can see this one's really bad. Wow, this is like a mirror. Look at me. Hi. So we're gonna do this one. A couple little stuff like that there. What else do we got? These ones right here, you can kind of see them. Oh yeah, you can see them very well now. What else? A little bit right over there. What is this? Why is my headlight loose? I don't know. But yeah, right there. Oh, this one's really bad. Right there. Did somebody? Oh yeah, the whole trunk right there, right there. Then this one, this is a pretty big one. That's gonna be a little bit fun to do. What else do we got? Let me see. There was these really bad scratches on the top of the roof, but we'll get to that later. What else? What else? That's okay. Oh yeah, that. So those are really bad. I think somebody like kicked the door or something, so that's scratched up pretty bad. And then the roof is on fire. Yes, this was from a family member. I'm not gonna say who it was, but they put their bag on top and they scratched the roof. You can kind of see it. Hold up. Wait, come on, reflection. Reflection, let's see it. Nope, can't see it. Anyways, and then and then just so many stone chips on the hood. We're gonna do little by little. And yeah, and then we'll see the after effect. Oh, and this thing on the glass. Yo, can you get this piece of glass, like fix it? No, yeah.
You can, but I can't.
Nah, screw it.
Awesome.
We'll leave it. Oh my god, somebody is cooking food and it smells delicious. Yo, we might break for lunch soon, cause yo, I'm smelling that. That smells amazing. But yeah, we did the wheels. They look super nice. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, guys, just a quick update. It is beautiful outside. The sun is out. The clouds are good. And we are in progress. The car looks really bad from the back, but if you move forward to the front of the car and you look, it looks like a mirror. Look at that. Look at that. Hello. That spot that you see right there, that is on the roof up there. But us, we're like a mirror in this hood. Yo, like, yo, this looks crazy good. Look at the door. Look at the door. Remember that scratch that we were all talking about? How somebody kicked the door? I'm sorry.
I don't see it.
I'm sorry. Who? Who kicked what? Yo. Well, you can still kind of see if you go really close, but probably camera won't focus. It's right there.
What are those sausage legs?
Yo, this looks so good. Bro, compared to that door, see, you can still see the swirls, but this one, mirror. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I can't wait till we get to the back. Like, you can literally see the scratches. Oh my god, you can see it in the video. This is gonna be a really crazy update. Once we get this updated, like, you'll be able to see all of these scratches. They're gonna be gone. And then all of these scratches, hold up, let's just stop right there. All of that is gonna be gone. It's gonna be all gone, especially those right there. You can see them very well. Then these, oh, this is gonna be crazy fun to get out. This.
Oh.
Yeah, then the ones up there. And then I think there was one like right there or whatever. Then that one. This one right here, this is gonna be the scariest one to get out. And then I think there was some on the roof. And there was one more right here, I think. Yes, this one right here. This is gonna be really fun to get out. Okay. All right, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Okay, guys, we got Mr. Alvin's E-Class, driving it really nice and slow and carefully. The man is working hard, and we are working hard. He's doing the brunt of the work. I'm doing the little small details. He's doing the big stuff. So we are gonna go grab some burrito boys for lunch because it is 1 p.m. and we gotta finish this before the sun goes down, at least the exterior of the car, so we can at least see the results. Okay, let's park it up. Let's go grab some burritos and let's get back to work. Let's go. Okay, you guys, we're back from lunch. Had some food. So now we're just doing some touch up on the car. So pretty much the whole entire hood, we're doing touch up on the areas that had little stone chips. So you can kind of see it a little bit right there. We did touch up. Well, you can't really tell that much. Then, hold up, let me try to focus. Really close if you look. Wow, the camera can't even focus because... Huh?
You have some rust on the trunk.
Oh no, rust on the trunk? Game over. I'm coming, hold on, let me see. Rust on the trunk, eh?
Yeah. Right here.
Uh-oh. That's it. Game over.
You want to take off the plate so we can clean
Sure, if you want to. Take it off. But yeah, we did some touch-up on certain spots. You can kind of see it from up close. Like right there. Right there a little bit. Where else? A little bit right there, but you can barely see it. Like from a distance, it looks absolutely perfect. You pretty much can't even tell. Only from if you're looking up close, like literally within 30 centimeters or 1 meter, you can't see it from 1 meter distance, but 30 centimeters up close, yeah, you can tell. But most of the time, you're going to be more than a meter away from the car, and it looks absolutely amazing. But yeah, that scratch where somebody like kicked the door or whatever, that's like completely gone. Like literally gone. Wheels are like super clean. Then this side of the door is amazing. Then we're getting to this spot right here. As you can remember that scratch, it was way bigger and more pronounced, but now it's a lot better. You can't even focus on it. Jeez. But yeah, let's get to the other side of the car, and then we'll start doing the ceramic coating with Avalon King Armor Shield 9. Alright guys, let's finish this up. Okay guys, and after many hours of 2-stage paint correction, this is what it looks like. Yo, can't see nothing. Pretty much can't see nothing. Just a couple little spots here and there that we touched up, but most of the scratches that we were talking about are gone. You can't really even see them. Nope, all gone. The one on the spoiler, barely see it. This one right here, much less visible. All the stuff on the bumper looks like, look at that, it looks like shiny. That's crazy. It's almost like a mirror. I'm gonna have to rewatch this. Wow. Okay, this is the most important part. Look at this. Look at that. It is so mirror shiny. Even the fender, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, nice. Some clean wheels. Cleaned all the glass from the inside and outside. Mr. Alvin did the roof professionally. Yo. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab those towels and we're gonna clean the entire car full of dust, or clean the car of dust with isopropyl alcohol. We're just finalizing some spots that we have to touch up and make sure they're clean. Then we're gonna wipe the whole entire car down, as I've said, with isopropyl, and then we're gonna get to ceramic coating, doing 2 layers or 2-stage ceramic coat, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, look at that hood. Look at that hood. Look at that hood. Yo, hello. You know, you can see you can't even see the lines on the hood in the reflection, but when you look at it, there, you can see the actual arches of the hood. But up close, it's like a mirror. You almost can't even see the transition. So nice, very clean. All right, let's get to it. Okay guys, so Avalon King, where's the box? Right down there, somewhere down there. Avalon King Armor Shield 1X9. So this is how it works. I thought that I was stupid and we were stupid and it was gonna be difficult to apply. No, just me. But literally, it's so easy. Like you literally just do that, and you'll immediately be able to tell where you've done it and where you haven't done it. There. So, see, that's the area you did it. That's the area you haven't done it, and you just slowly massage it in, pretty much, little by little. And that's it. Easy as pie, right? Okay. Let's do the first coat on the whole car, and then let it dry. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the first layer of ceramic coating is on. That's it. Look how shiny that is. What? Look at how shiny it is. You can see everything and everybody. This is crazy good. And it's getting dark too. Like, it's like almost 5 o'clock.
I mean, technically, you could call it quits.
No, we are not calling it quits. We are going to do one final layer of ceramic coat, which is going to be the second one. And that's it. We did the windshield too. I know it's hard to see, but...
You missed here.
Oh, I missed a spot. I missed a spot.
Missed here.
I missed a spot. Oh my god.
You do under here?
No, I don't know. Dude, I'm tired. I don't remember. Yo, it looks good. And then we're gonna drive it and we're gonna come back home and it's gonna be all dirty again. But then when you wash it, it's gonna bead like crazy. Yo, that looks crazy nice. Like, look at that. Look at that. That's so nice. Oh my. Okay, let's do the second coat and finish this up real quick. Yo, that looks so clean, so nice. Ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, this is the C63 after 2 layers of ceramic coating. It is absolutely, it is hardly bright outside, let's just say that. But the car looks absolutely amazing, stunning. Sorry, the light keeps just dimming out. But this looks so nice. Like, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Showroom quality. So nice. So we did 2 layers of Avalon King ceramic coating. Whew. Now it's gonna dry for a little bit. Pretty much the whole entire thing looks absolutely amazing. We cleaned up all little spots where the snakeskin oil was overlapping a little bit, but it's like pretty much perfect. Like, look at that. You can just see everything. Look, that's a fender. That's a freaking fender. Can you believe that? And this is a door. Look how shiny that is. Like, that is mirror. Look at that. Look. Hold up. That's a mirror. Wow. Wow. Like, look at that. This is what a mirror is, and this is what a door is. Like, that's really good. Oh, yep, no, that's fine. Okay, top part is done. And so many of the scratches that we like saw initially, you can barely see them. Oh my God, we need light. Hold on, hold up. Turn on some light. You can barely even see that scratch. Well, yeah, you can see it under the light, but from a distance, boom, gone. You can't even see it. It's really, really good. Then all these scratches over here that initially we could see, now you can't really see them. Oh yeah, under the light really close you can see them, but from a distance, boom, can't even see them. They're pretty much gone. Well, it's a little dark too, but we'll do a quick little video tomorrow once it's bright outside, and we'll see how this looks. And we gotta do the water bead test tomorrow. See how the water goes. This guy, he's like, you missed the spot here. We've been doing this all day. You missed the spot. Dude, thank you, sir. This was a lot of fun. Car looks amazing. Shiny. Look at that shine. Damn, son. Not bad, not bad. And the rims look nice too, again, even though they're gonna come off soon. Okay, all right, guys. I think we're gonna call it a night. Wait, one more spot. No, it's all good. Guys, we're gonna call it a night because it has been a very, very, very long day. Ooh. Boom, there. That is the end result. Sick. So nice. I can't wait to see this in the sun. It's so dark outside. Okay, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy that quick little video. Not quick, actually. Quick to them, not quick to us. Yo, this was a very, very big project. A long time coming, but we finally finished it. I'll see y'all tomorrow with a new video. We're gonna reveal the car in the daytime and how good it handles with water on the hood. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.